my mind. All I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like
We're done with one of the teasers by Talevar. If you have not watched that, go check it out. And we are here for the Kartalan teaser. Let me just see who's starring. Anthony Varghese, Sunil, Kabir Duhan Singh, Dusara Vijayan, or Dasara. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if I'm spelling it out wrong. Parthiwari, Jagadish, Siddiq, Hanan Shah, Hipster, Anson, Paul, and Raj. And there's a lot of others. Shout out to all of them. Music and background score by B. Ajneesh Lokant. I've heard his name also in other trailer reactions that we have done. So this dude also does a lot of music. Cool. And this is directed by Paul George. Editor Shamir Muhammad. Stunts, action Sandosh and Kate Shah. Lyricist Vinayak Shashikumar and Suhail Khoya. We can go, guys. We can go for it. Why the fuck is it auto-generating from Korean? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's go. Oh, it's gonna be wild. Kartalan. Okay, action. Are we gonna hurt the animal? Bro. They need the trunks for the money. He just bulbed him. 2026 International Initiative. This movie is got a creator first because an animal is in the main focus. Kartalan, I guess, okay, so he is probably after the trunks or body parts of the elephant because he can sell it, get some money out of it. Some shit like that is gonna happen, and probably there is competition who would want to bring him down, and those are the people who are probably he was bulbing, right? And then doing all the sword fights. It was fun. It's not easy to do such controversial films, so kudos to the team to actually bring this up and do it. Well, the actor seems new to me. His name is exactly, I'm not sure. Is it Anthony Varghese? Because that's the first name of the star cast. I'm guessing that's gonna be him. Even though the crime was intended towards the poor elephant, but the background score was kind of enchanting, right? It was all out there. It was like, ah. The background score was really good, but the chopping the elephant part, not so good. Anybody who watches this video, don't take any inspiration from this. It's just a movie, so take it as it is and enjoy the film. It's not a real story, right? What is the inspiration behind this? I want to know. I really want to know. But of course, his character seems very intense, right? Like somebody who does not think twice before jumping the horns and then beating people up. We saw another fight sequence apart from just the elephant being an issue here. The second part of it was him just bulbing people up and electrocuting them. So it was that element was fun. Him jumping out of the car, even that was nice. There were a couple of shots here and there which all stood out, and seems like again another one of those action movies that will make you want to go woo, right? Let's see some of the comments and end this. Only for Anthony Varghese Pepe, so he's probably the main actor. Everybody in the Tagarar bola. I think most of the animal lovers might find it a little difficult to digest this. This scene is fire. The scenes were definitely, it was fire. Even the cinematography was well put in. Looks very natural. Anthony Varghese fans assemble here button. Fire. All of his fans, if you are here, don't forget to like the video, please. Salarile Prabhas Poleunda. Oh, that's a huge compliment. Waiting for the blood bath. Yeah, that's the fun part. We can also do a lot of reaction videos. And if the movie turns out to be really good, let me know. We can do a movie reaction. Ajanish Lokant BGM was fire. It was a blast. His music was a blast, and it makes you like wake up and just do a namaz or something. I don't know. It's really good. Okay, guys, that is all for today. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. It's gonna be music videos. So stay tuned and good night.
No filter, I got no